Novo Nordisk, a global healthcare company known for its innovative diabetes care solutions, has a compelling success story that spans nearly a century. From its humble beginnings to becoming a leader in diabetes treatment, Novo Nordisk's journey is marked by innovation, resilience, and significant contributions to medical science. In this video, we will tell you about the history and success story of Novo Nordisk. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. Let's get started. The birth of Novo Nordisk. Novo Nordisk, a global healthcare company, is known for its leadership in diabetes care. The company's roots go back to 1923 when two small Danish companies, Nordisk Insulin Laboratorium and Novo Therapeutiske Laboratorium, were established to produce insulin. At that time, diabetes was a fatal disease, and the discovery of insulin was a groundbreaking advancement. The two companies were founded independently by two sets of scientists, but both aimed to make insulin more widely available. Nordisk Insulin Laboratorium was founded by August Krogh, a Nobel laureate, and his wife Marie Krogh, a doctor who was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. They were inspired by the discovery of insulin in Canada and wanted to produce it in Denmark. Meanwhile, the Novo Therapeutiske Laboratorium was started by Harald and Thorvald Petersen, who also saw the potential in insulin production. Both companies grew rapidly and were instrumental in improving the lives of people with diabetes. In 1989, these two pioneering companies merged to form Novo Nordisk. This merger combined their expertise and resources, setting the stage for future innovations in diabetes care and beyond. Innovation at the heart of Novo Nordisk. From the beginning, Novo Nordisk focused on innovation. They didn't just produce insulin, they continuously worked to improve it. One of their first breakthroughs was the development of the insulin pen in 1985. This device made it much easier for patients to administer insulin, enhancing their quality of life and compliance with treatment. Novo Nordisk didn't stop there. Over the years, they have introduced several new types of insulin and other diabetes treatments. For instance, in 2000, they launched NovoRapid, a fast-acting insulin that works quickly to control blood sugar levels after meals. This was followed by the introduction of Levemir in 2004, a long-acting insulin that provides steady blood sugar control throughout the day. The company has also expanded its focus to other serious chronic conditions. They have made significant strides in treating obesity, hemophilia, growth disorders, and hormone replacement therapy. Their continuous investment in research and development has paid off, making Novo Nordisk a leader in multiple therapeutic areas. Overcoming challenges. Despite their many successes, Novo Nordisk has faced numerous challenges. The pharmaceutical industry is highly competitive, and maintaining a leading position requires constant innovation and adaptation. One significant challenge has been pricing pressures. As healthcare costs rise globally, there is increasing scrutiny of the cost of medications, including insulin. Novo Nordisk has had to navigate complex pricing negotiations with governments and insurers while ensuring that they can still fund their research and development efforts. Additionally, they have faced challenges related to market dynamics. For instance, the introduction of biosimilars, generic versions of biological drugs, has increased competition. Novo Nordisk has responded by focusing on the development of next-generation products and improving patient support programs. Global expansion. Novo Nordisk's commitment to addressing unmet medical needs has driven its global expansion. Today, the company operates in over 80 countries and employs more than 45,000 people worldwide. Their global reach allows them to impact millions of lives every day. One key area of expansion has been in emerging markets, recognizing the growing prevalence of diabetes and other chronic conditions in these regions. Novo Nordisk has established a strong presence in countries like China, India, and Brazil. They have tailored their strategies to meet the unique needs of these markets, focusing on education, affordability, and accessibility. In addition to expanding geographically, Novo Nordisk has also broadened its product portfolio. They have invested heavily in biopharmaceuticals, developing cutting-edge treatments for a range of conditions. For example, their GLP-1 receptor agonists, such as Victoza and Ozempic, have revolutionized diabetes treatment, by helping patients achieve better blood sugar control with additional benefits like weight loss. Looking to the future. As we look to the future, Novo Nordisk is poised to continue its trajectory of innovation and growth, particularly in the realm of weight management. One of the most promising developments is the success of Wegovy, a groundbreaking medication for weight loss. Approved by the FDA in 2021, Wegovy has become a game changer for individuals struggling with obesity. This medication, a higher dose of the diabetes drug semaglutide, works by mimicking a hormone called GLP-1, which regulates appetite and food intake. Patients taking Wegovy have reported significant weight loss, leading to improved health outcomes and a better quality of life. Wegovy's success is not just limited to its efficacy. The medication has also garnered significant attention in the medical community and the media, raising awareness about the importance of effective weight management solutions. With obesity rates continuing to rise globally, the demand for treatments like Wegovy is expected to grow. Novo Nordisk's commitment to making this medication accessible to a wider population will be crucial in addressing the obesity epidemic. In addition to its current success, Novo Nordisk is investing in research to further enhance Wegovy and develop new treatments. The company is exploring various formulations and delivery methods to improve patient experience and adherence to the medication. These advancements could include combination therapies that address multiple aspects of metabolic health, providing comprehensive solutions for patients with complex needs. Furthermore, Novo Nordisk is also focusing on expanding the indications for Wegovy. Clinical trials are underway to evaluate the effectiveness of the drug in treating other obesity-related conditions, such as heart disease and sleep apnea. If successful, these trials could open up new markets and provide additional benefits for patients beyond weight loss. The future of Novo Nordisk's weight management portfolio, including Wegovy, looks promising. The company's dedication to innovation, coupled with a strong understanding of patient needs, positions it well to lead in the fight against obesity. As they continue to push the boundaries of medical science, we can expect even more breakthroughs that will help millions of people lead healthier lives. In 2024, Novo Nordisk, a prominent pharmaceutical company, has shown impressive financial performance with a substantial increase in its net income and market capitalization. The company's net income for the 12 months ending December 31, 2023, reached $12.151 billion, marking a significant 54.54% increase from the previous year. This growth trend continued in the first quarter of 2024, where Novo Nordisk reported earnings of 83 cents per American Depositary Receipt, ADR, surpassing expectations. The company's sales growth outlook for 2024 has been revised upwards, with an anticipated growth rate between 19% to 27%, reflecting the strong performance of its diabetes and obesity care segment. Moreover, Novo Nordisk's market capitalization in May 2024 stands at an impressive $586.42 billion, making it one of the world's most valuable companies. This substantial market cap growth is indicative of the company's solid financial standing and market position. Fun facts about Novo Nordisk. Novo Nordisk employs over 64,000 people in 80 offices around the world and markets its products in 170 countries. It is the largest pharmaceutical company in Denmark, and its market capitalization exceeded Denmark's GDP in 2023, making it the highest valued company in Europe. The Novo Nordisk logo is the Apis bull, one of the sacred animals of ancient Egypt. The company was ranked 25th among the 100 best companies to work for in 2010 and 72nd in 2014 by Fortune magazine. In 2012, Novo Nordisk was named the most sustainable company in the world by Corporate Knights magazine. Novo Nordisk's main product is the drug semaglutide, used to treat diabetes under the brand name Ozempic and obesity under the brand name Wegovy. The company also sponsors athletes with diabetes, such as Charlie Kimball in auto racing and Team Novo Nordisk in road cycling. In 2023, Novo Nordisk was suspended from the Association of the British Pharmaceutical Industry, ABPI, for 2 years for misleading marketing practices, only the 8th time in 40 years that ABPI has sanctioned a member organization. Despite this, Novo Nordisk remains a leading global healthcare company committed to defeating serious chronic diseases like diabetes and obesity. That's all for now. I hope you have enjoyed watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing updates. Thanks for watching.